above them in hot pursuit. Look for smoke. That's Thunderbird 6 closing on the diamond at more than 500 miles per hour. His job is to overtake the formation right in front of you. Timing here is critical, so keep an eye on Major Maston in Thunderbird 6. In the center of the 5-car is our slot pilot, Major Scott Bowen. This is precision flying at its finest. There's no room for error here in the center of the 5-car. Fighter Wing, your 2000 Thunderbird Delta pass in review. They enter directly in front of you. Watch as they pull up into the vertical. and gentlemen, as the Thunderbirds touch down to end another exciting demonstration, it's time to recognize those young men and women who make it happen. The support and maintenance professionals who keep us flying. There are almost 140 people on the Thunderbird team. While only 8 of us fly, the heart of the team is that large group of people who do not fly. People of all ranks and skills. True team players, unassuming Americans who work hard and put excellence into the mission, and their efforts get results. Thunderbirds have been showing Americans what